This is BMK, where we inspire others to be more knowledgeable, be more kind, and to be more in the know. Hey guys, I know you missed me. Sorry about last week, but let's jump right into this. Today's guest is an entrepreneur, a Baltimorean. I'm going to let her introduce herself.
Hello, I'm Tiffany, the owner of TeamUs Cleaning here in Baltimore, Maryland.
So, Tiffany, what inspired you to start your business?
For one, I just don't like punching the clock, so I figured why not start a business? And then I like having a clean home, so I said let's do a cleaning business, and it's something that my kids can help out with, and teach them responsibility, and get them ready for the world.
And what would you say is like a highlight of your business, like specialty wise?
Performance, I guess. That would be a good highlight. Making sure I'm getting the client's needs met. If they want a deep clean, make sure I'm doing a good job with the deep cleaning. Just getting the job done right.
Do you feel as though customer service is a major key in
the cleaning industry?
Absolutely.
Oh, yes. Because if you don't have a good customer service perspective, you're just going to be like going to people's homes and not really caring about what you're doing. You're going to be angry. You're not going to listen to what they want. You're going to do it however you want to do it. It plays a major role, though. Yeah, it's important in every aspect of any job, I think.
And if there are any cons, what would you say would be a con when it comes to your cleaning business?
People not understanding why the price is what it is. So, for example, like if they want a deep cleaning done in Alderton, Maryland, and I'm all the way in the city, of course I'm going to add travel to the price. You have travel, you have supplies. So I don't think customers really look at it that way. They just be like, oh, well, it's just a small apartment with one bathroom or, 2 bathrooms, and they're not understanding why the price is what it is. So that might be a con, just the knowledge of, why things are the way they are in that industry.
And if you had any advice for someone looking to start their own business or even looking to start their own cleaning business, what advice would you give someone else?
Just do your research first. Like, make sure you know what kind of cleaning you want to do or what kind of business you want to do. Like, even if it's like a food truck, just do your research on everything. Check out the competitors, see what their prices are for the same service that you're going to be providing. And just make sure you have all your equipment and supplies. It's going to cost you out front. So just make sure you're ready to kick out some money in the beginning.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you for your time. And I want you also to let my viewers know how they can get in contact with you.
All right. So I'm on Google. You can type in TeamUs Cleaning and you'll see a picture with 3 ladies on there. That's us. Phone number, website, everything is listed on Google. I'm on Instagram as well. I think that page got hacked. Hold on, let me check it out. Forever_Queen Tiff_1. My old page got hacked. I'm sorry, but yeah, I have some stuff on there as well. Facebook, TeamUs Cleaning, and my email is teamuscleaning703@gmail.com.
And all that information will be listed below in the description box. Is there anything else that you want to share with us, Tiffany? Upcoming things, sales prices, anything?
Just stay positive if you're trying to open up a new business. Far as services, we are working on, but it's this summer. So if you would need any summer cleaning done, I know we passed the spring cleaning phase, but if you need some summer cleaning done to get your house ready for the summertime for cookouts, we do cleaning for after parties, before gatherings, setups. We can do it all. So whatever type of cleaning service you need, we can get it done.
And since this is the month of June, which is Black Music Month,
Mhm.
what would you say is your favorite song to clean up to?
That's a tough one. Not even sure. Any upbeat music. I like all music, so it depends on the weather with me. If it's like a gloomy day, then I'll put on some R&B and clean to that. So it depends. I love music. So whatever you love, just play that.
Well, again, thanks for your time. I
Thank
see you're a busy woman, so we're gonna
Yeah,
let you go.
appreciate
And
it.
this has been BMK, where we inspire, motivate, and keep you aware. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love to read your comments, so leave some. Thanks again, you guys.
Yeah.